Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new page on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to create a new page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner and then underneath your profile, tap on See More. You will now see the Pages option. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Create at the top section. You can now choose from a personal profile or a public page. Choose whichever option you wish. And if you wish to create a public page, choose the second option. Then tap on the next button and you will now be asked to enter the name for your page. Type in your name and tap on the next button and you will now be asked to choose your category. After choosing your category, tap on the Create button and now you will be asked to choose your goals. Choose the appropriate goal for your page and tap on the Continue button. Now just enter your bio followed by your contact information. After entering all of your relevant information, tap on the next button. And now you will be able to choose your page banner and your page profile picture. Just choose your desired image from your device for both your display and your banner image. Then click on the next button and now you will have the option to invite your friends. You can tap on this option and send an invite to selected friends, or you can continue by tapping on the next button. You will also see various different suggestions that are taken from your Facebook profile. You can view these or also skip by tapping on the next button. Now you can enable the notifications from the page on your profile, and you may also receive promotional emails about your page. Choose your desired preference and tap on the Done button. And now you will be logged in to the page profile that you just created. And this means that your page is now ready to be used. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new page on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.